Stuck trying to delete a task in Jira? The delete button is hidden, and you have to type the word delete to confirm. Here is exactly how to do it in 30 seconds. I will show you the exact steps. Open your project, select the task, click delete, type the word delete, and confirm. Let us go. So you're sitting there with a task in Jira that you just do not need anymore. Maybe it was a test ticket or a duplicate entry. Either way, you want it gone. But the delete button is not just sitting out in the open. Jira hides it a little bit, and then it asks for a confirmation to make sure you are not deleting something by accident. I have run into this plenty of times, so let me walk you through it. First things first, open up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in. You will land on your dashboard or maybe your last visited project. Do not worry too much about where you end up. We just need to be inside Jira. Now, navigate to the project that has the task you want to delete. You can find your projects on the left-hand side of the screen or by using the project menu at the top. Just click on the one you need. I am going to pull up a real project here so you can see exactly what I mean. Once you are inside your project, you will see a list of all your tasks. Now, find the specific task you want to remove. It might be a story, a bug, or a simple task. Just scroll through until you spot it. When you find it, look to the very left side of that row. There is a small checkbox there. Click on it. That little check tells Jira, hey, I want to do something with this specific item. And here is the really important part. Once you have that box checked, take a look at the very bottom of your screen. A bar should pop up with a few options. You will see things like bulk change, or maybe an option to transition the status. But what we're looking for is the button that says delete. It is usually red or grayed out. Go ahead and click it. Now, Jira is going to stop you. It will pop up a window and say something like, "Are you sure?" And instead of just letting you click yes, it forces you to type the word delete. This is Jira's way of preventing accidental deletions. So in that little text field, type the word delete exactly as it appears. Not deleted, not deleting, just delete. Lowercase is fine. Once you have typed it, you'll see that the confirm button lights up. Now, click that delete button to finalize it. And just like that, the task is gone. It disappears from your board and your backlog completely. So now you know, that hidden button and that extra confirmation step are really just safety nets. They're there to protect you from removing something important by mistake. But now that you know the exact clicks and the exact word to type, you can delete any task in Jira in just a few seconds. If this helped you out, give the video a like. And hey, if you ever get stuck on another Jira trick, just ask.